Welcome back to Mr. Leek's Free Science Tutorials. The next question that we're going to be talking about is to do with plant cells. And the question this time is, compare a plant and animal cell. What are the functions of the extra parts of the plant cell? Now, in the previous video, what we did is we went through the eukaryotic animal cell, and what you needed to know is you need to know all those 5 different things and their functions. This one is now saying, compare a plant and animal cell. What are the functions of the extra parts of the plant cell? So this diagram is then a eukaryotic plant cell. There is your plant cell. And what I've just done on this diagram here is I've just got the 3 extra bits, because the plant cell contains the cytoplasm, the nucleus, the cell membrane, the ribosomes, and the mitochondrion. So you don't need to mention them, because it's saying, what are the functions of the extra parts of the plant cell? So to answer this, you can say, compare a plant and animal cell. You say that both types of eukaryotic cells, the animal and the plant cell, will contain cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, ribosomes, and mitochondrion, which is compare a plant and animal cell. What are the functions of the extra parts? Now, the extra parts are your permanent vacuole, your cell wall, and your chloroplasts. The permanent vacuole contains cell sap, and it keeps the cell turgid and contains sugars and salts in solution. Okay, turgid basically means solid, right? Keeps its structure. The cell wall is made of cellulose, and it supports and strengthens the cell. I always like to think of cellulose as celery. You know, if you bite celery, and what you do is you kind of get those stringy bits that come off celery, that is then an example of cellulose, and it supports and strengthens the cell. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis, and what it does, it contains chlorophyll and absorbs light energy. So, referring back to the question, this is what you need to know. Compare a plant and animal cell. What are the functions of the extra parts of the plant cell? So, both eukaryotic cells, animal cells and plant cells contain cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, ribosome and mitochondrion. A plant cell, the extra parts that a plant cell have are the permanent vacuole. And what this does, it contains cell sap, keeps cells turgid and contains sugars and salts in solution. It also has a cell wall, which is inside of the cell membrane. It's made of cellulose and it supports and strengthens the cell. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis and contains chlorophyll and absorbs light energy. That is then the answer to that question.